Hey there, beautiful souls. Can you feel the magic in the air? I certainly can. Welcome back to our channel and Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Mike, and today we've got some fantastic ideas to help you kick off 2024 with style. We're diving headfirst into the enchanting world of New Year home decorating ideas for 2024. Now, let me ask you something. Do you want your space to not just reflect your style, but also ring in the new year with a burst of positive energy? Well, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by infusing joy into every nook and cranny of your home. Think vibrant colors, whimsical decorations, and elements that make your heart skip a beat. It's not just about decorating. It's about creating an atmosphere that resonates with the happiness of the new year. Now enjoy New Year Home Decorating Ideas 2024 video. There you have it, your guide to filling your home with happiness and positive vibes for 2024. If these ideas brought a smile to your face, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are ready to make their homes a haven of joy. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting and creative content. Let's make 2024 a year filled with love, laughter, and homes that radiate happiness. Until next time, stay happy and keep decorating.